के वीडियो में आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू गाइस सम ऑफ माय नायका सेल रिकमेंडेशंस। सो नायका इज रनिंग देयर हॉट पिंक सेल एंड दे हैव अप टू 50% ऑफ। मैंने इंस्टाग्राम एंड यूट्यूब दोनों पे पोल किया था कि आपको नायका सेल रिकमेंडेशंस देखने हैं कि आपको H&M हॉल देखना है, बट यूट्यूब पे नायका सेल वन, सो दैट इज व्हाट आई एम गोना डू। आई हैव अ लॉट ऑफ recommendations that are mostly from mid-range to high-end because they do have a lot of offers and just discounts running on them. I feel like this is the best time to get most of these products because you are gonna get a good discount. मैंने खुद भी बहुत कुछ ऑर्डर कर लिया है, so I might just do a haul later on. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video and let's get started. Let's start with something जो मैं हमेशा recommend करती हूँ, but I will always recommend this to you guys because this product is actually expensive. This is the Pack Microfiber Fixer. So this retails for 925 rupees and अभी ये 833 rupees का मिल रहा है and this is the best time to get this. This is one of my favorite, like ultimate favorite makeup setting spray. मैंने इसको बहुत बार recommend किया है and ये ना normally कभी भी सेल पे नहीं होता, so I would say just go and snatch this. You will not regret this. This is such a gentle makeup fixer. You guys can see इसका mist इतना ज़्यादा fine है. It will not disturb your face and it just helps to really melt all that makeup into your skin so that your face doesn't look too powdery. या फिर अगर आपने बहुत ज़्यादा product भी लगा लिया है, it just helps to blend that in. And I use this literally almost every time I do my makeup. So yeah, go get this one. You will really like it. So before the sale started, I got this foundation and I really regret it because अभी ये offer पे चल रहा है, like you get some discount and that is the Milani 2-in-1 foundation. Now मैं इसके पहले ना light beige वाला shade लगाती थी and I think that was a little dark for me. So the thing is जो मेरा फेस का शेड है, मेरा जो नेक का शेड है ना, दैट इज ऑलमोस्ट द सेम, बट बाय दिस एरिया आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज दिस कॉल्ड, डी से एक वर्ड है, आई एम फॉरगेटिंग, बट जो ये एरिया है ना, इट इज वाइट पिंकिश. सो व्हाट आई डू इज कि आई मैच माय फाउंडेशन टू माय नेक रादर देन माय चेस्ट एरिया बेसिकली, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट कि मैं पूरे यहाँ तक फाउंडेशन लगा लूँ, दैट जस्ट बिकम्स टू मच, स्पेशली इतनी गर्मी में. सो थोड़ा अगर ऐसे मिसमैच हो जाता है, आई डोंट माइंड, बट ओवरऑल भी ना मेरा जो स्किन का शेड है वो थोड़ा लाइट हो गया है. सो आई गॉट इट इन द शेड 02 Natural. Now this is one of the best foundations I've ever used. Like I have used a couple of high-end foundations and I have used low-end wale bhi, but this is literally the best. Like I have never used something as good as this. This is medium to full coverage. This looks beautiful. It works for dry skin, it works for oily skin, combination skin. This works with any and every primer. Like this is my favorite foundation of all time and I cannot recommend this enough. So अभी ये discount पे है, इसको जरूर एक बार try करना. You will not regret this. For concealers I have two recommendations. One is this Nykaa का palette. Now I think इसमें एक ही शेड में ऑफर चल रहा है, दैट इज द शेड दैट आई हैव विच इज लाइट 01. दिस इज व्हाट इट लुक्स लाइक एंड यू गाइस कैन सी मैंने इसको कितना यूज कर रखा है. आई यूज द डार्कर शेड्स टू कवर अप माई डार्क स्पॉट्स, देन आई यूज दिस येलो वन टू ब्राइटन अप माई स्किन. ऑल्सो ये दोनों शेड आई कैन यूज टू कॉन्टोर विच आई डोंट रियली डू, बट आई कैन स्टिल मिक्स एंड मैच दिस. एंड ना कभी कभार आई टेक दिस टू डार्कन सम ऑफ माई अदर लाइट फाउंडेशंस. दिस इज फुल कवरेज, इट ब्लेंड्स सो वेल एंड इफ यू हैव डार्क स्पॉट्स, पिगमेंटेशन या कुछ भी, this will come so handy. So definitely invest in this. This has like 4 shades I believe and this one is on sale. Now powder that I have for you is this K Beauty banana powder. Again I know I have recommended all of these products a lot of times. There are some other products जिनके बारे में मैंने इतनी बात नहीं की, but because अभी सेल चल रही है and most of these products are from mid to high range, so मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसमें दोबारा आप लोगों को बताऊँ so that you can save your money. But yeah, this banana powder is amazing. Again I use this almost every time that I do my makeup. मैंने actually K Beauty का compact भी मंगवाया है because K Beauty पे flat 20% चल रहा है, which I think is an amazing deal. So right now is the time to buy whatever you want to because K Beauty is mid to high range and sometimes I don't feel like all of the products are worth paying full price, you know, because 800-900 rupees for like face products like a compact or something, that is a little too much. So yeah, I much rather buy it on sale. This is such a fine powder. I usually just use this to set my foundation. आप इसको अपना concealer set करने के लिए भी use कर सकते हो. It won't give you like a stark brightening effect, but it will really help to set your foundation and your concealer in, and I really enjoy using this. और इसका जो packaging है, it's really nice, so it's like a no mess packaging that I really appreciate. So yeah, you can definitely get this one. Another product that I have from K Beauty are their color correctors that I've been really enjoying and I've been using them so much. So मैंने अभी इसके ऊपर एक shorts वाली वीडियो भी बनाई है in case you want to see it, and someone asked me कि exactly how does this work. So basically this one is in the orange shade and this one helps to cover up your pigmentation, you know, just helps to cover pigmentation. So you guys can see ना, it has that orange tinge. So I like to apply it basically on the areas जहाँ पे मुझे बहुत acne scarring है and under my eyes जहाँ पे मुझे darkness है. So basically it acts like a color corrector only but in a primer form, and it also works as a great primer. इसके ऊपर foundation बहुत अच्छे से blend होता है. It also makes your makeup long lasting. Now I have oily skin so I have to go in with a silicone based primer अपने nose वाले area पे, but जहाँ पे मुझे problem है ना वहाँ पे मैं ये लगा लेती हूँ, and I have seen that my foundation looks a lot better. And especially मेरा जो dark circle वाला area है ना वहाँ पे अगर ये मैं लगाती हूँ ना, so मैंने देखा है कि concealer से ज़्यादा मुझे coverage भी मिलता है, and it just looks better especially in real life. So yeah, this has been coming really handy, and this is also on an offer. Now another concealer that I went back to are the Swiss Beauty concealer. So I have 04 shade which is a bit darker and 02 shade which is for brightening. Amazing concealers. These are anyway very cheap, but अभी आपको सेल पे और अच्छे ऑफर में मिल जाएगा. Looks beautiful under the eyes. मैंने आज ये यूज किया है and I just really like this. So yeah, definitely go get these liquid concealers, and you can also get the pack concealer. Abhi you're getting it on 10% off. They have so many shades. You also get an applicator with it. Another very beautiful medium to high coverage buildable concealer. Looks very pretty under the eyes, and मैंने उसको बहुत बार यूज भी किया है चैनल पे, so you can go check that out as well. And then I actually have a couple of face products for you guys. The first one again is by K Beauty, and this is their highlighter, and this is in the shade Sunlit Gold. This is what it looks like. It's such a beautiful highlighter. This doesn't enhance your texture at all. It makes your skin look very glowy. I'm wearing it today. You guys can see it just looks very beautiful, and it is super blinding, so you can use a light hand with this, so you will get a little less blinding effect. They have a lot of shades, but I personally like a gold highlighter. Now I also have this. This is by The Balm, and this is their Bonnie Luminizer. Now इस पे भी ऑफ चल रहा है. I checked, so you guys can go check this out. This is also such a beautiful highlighter. This is more of a bronzy golden for my skin tone, but it looks really pretty. I like ऐसे टाइप के highlighters, and इसमें जो Mary Luminizer है वो इससे थोड़ा lighter है, so आप वो भी check out कर सकते हो because वो भी offer पे है. And then you have Champagne Pop by Becca. Now इसका full size is out of stock, but they do have that mini version, and I think the mini version will be enough. So अगर आपको Becca का highlighter check out करना था ना, इसका mini version ले लो. So basically this is what Champagne Pop looks like, and इसके mini version पे भी offer है, so you will get it for cheaper, and now will be the best time to get it. I think I'm gonna get the mini version too because mine is super old and Becca is going out of business. Can you guys see? This is Champagne Pop right here. So it's such a beautiful cult favorite highlighter, and I do think if you're a makeup lover you should have this because this is that highlighter, you know. I can't express it. Like, you have to use this once because this is truly blinding. It changed the whole highlighter game, and इसका mini version like I said would be enough. So मैं उसका link डाल दूंगी in case you want to check that out. I have shown you guys the same blushes so many times. Bronzers भी दिखा दिए मैंने, कुछ खुद भी new use नहीं किया except for this palette. So this is by Too Faced, and Too Faced पे ना वैसे कोई discount नहीं चल रहा. So they have an offer running that if you buy this palette या फिर कोई और palette आप खरीदते हो, so they will give you a product. It's such an amazing palette. It's the Too Faced Natural Face Palette. This is what it looks like. This is almost always out of stock. Right now it was in stock. I hope जब तक मैं वीडियो डालूँ this will be in stock. This is what the beauty looks like. So you have some highlighters, you have blushes, and then you have bronzers. Now I use all these three shades as blushes. These highlighters are also amazing, and इसका ये जो bronzer है that is also really good. Now this is one of the best things that I own in my entire collection because all of the shades are wearable for me. So if you have light to medium skin tone, this will work for you really well, and this is the reason मैंने कोई भी ना blush या फिर highlighter वगैरह न्यू नहीं खरीदा because I have this. This has literally everything. This is so pigmented, so buttery, so buildable. I know this is expensive. I think this is for like 4,000 something, but you get 6 shades, you get this huge mirror, and you get this amazing luxury packaging. अगर मैं कभी भी कुछ इतना expensive recommend करती हूँ ना, then I make sure that each and everything about that product is perfect, and this is that product. So if you guys want to invest, you can definitely invest in this. Speaking of Too Faced, so Too Faced and Smashbox पे एक offer चल रहा है, and that is why I'm going to recommend this. So this is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. This is what it looks like. This is a travel size. जो Smashbox का Primer Water Spray है ना, उसका travel size, and ये जो Too Faced का mascara है Damn Girl Mascara, this is in a combo offer, and you get it for 1400 rupees, and I think it is worth the money because I've heard that the Primer Water Spray is amazing, and this mascara, you guys, this is literally one of the best mascaras I've ever used, and मैं maybe इसका कभी full size भी खरीद ही लूँ. This is a chonky wand, but damn, this रियली मेक्स योर आई लैशेज लुक लाइक, मतलब आपने कुछ ऐसे फॉल्सीज ही लगा ली है। मुझे एक्चुअली हाई एंड मस्कारा थोड़ा वेस्ट ऑफ मनी लगता है, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक ड्रग स्टोर पे यू विल गेट सच अमेजिंग मस्कारास, बट बिकॉज ये आपको ट्रैवल साइज में एक कॉम्बो ऑफर में मिल रहा है, मैं इसको रेकमेंड करूंगी इफ यू गाइज वांट टू चेक दिस आउट एंड इफ यू गाइज ऑल्सो वांट टू चेक आउट द प्राइमर वाटर आउट। आई फील लाइक वो कॉम्बो ऑफर जो है दैट इज डेफिनेटली वर्थ द मनी। ना मस्कारास में यू गाइज नो लॉरियल लैश पैराडाइज, दैट इज लाइक लिटरली वन ऑफ माई अल्टीमेट फेवरेट्स। नाउ आई फाउंड अ रीसेंट फेवरेट एंड दिस इज द Maybelline द Falsies Lash Lift Waterproof Mascara. This is what it looks like. First of all, the packaging is so cute. This is what it looks like. So I feel like इसका Lash Paradise का wand ना काफी similar है. This makes your lashes so voluminous. This is what I'm wearing today, you guys, and I absolutely love the way this makes my lashes look. I personally never use false lashes. I always rely on my mascaras, and these mascaras just make my lashes look so good. Like इससे आपको volume मिल जाएगा. It will not make your lashes look clumpy, and yeah, I think this is definitely worth the price. ये भी डिस्काउंट पे है। अगर आपको लैश पैराडाइज अच्छा लगा था मेरे रिकमेंडेशन पे, तो ये भी चेकआउट करना। आई थिंक यू विल रियली लाइक दिस। लेट्स कम टू आई शैडोज। आई शैडोज में देयर आर सो मेनी ऑप्शंस, but I narrowed it down to 3 things that I would personally buy from the sale myself. The first one is again by Too Faced. It is the Sweet Peach palette, and this matches my entire look today. This is literally one of my most used palettes. This is what it looks like. Now ऐसे देख के लग नहीं रहा होगा मैंने इसको बहुत यूज किया है, but trust me you guys, मैंने इसको बहुत ज्यादा यूज किया है. This is my go-to palette because this has the most beautiful shades, like all of these amazing shades. Look how pigmented that is. Can you see? It is so pigmented and it is very buttery. It looks amazing, and again you have that offer going on जिसके साथ आपको ना एक प्रोडक्ट फ्री मिलेगा, and if you can invest in this you can definitely do that. Also even now it smells like peaches, which I really love. Next, if you like colorful eyeshadow palettes, then I would suggest कि आप Makeup Revolution का ये वाला range check out करो. This is their Forever Flawless range and they have so many different color palettes. This is in the variant Constellation. So इसके अंदर ना ये सारे shades है. All of these amazing blue, pinky, purple tones, and I really like this palette. You have seen me use this so many times. This is very pigmented and you can work with these easily. So if you guys like to do colorful looks and all of that, then you can go check out the different variants. मैं 2-3 के links डाल दूंगी description box में. Now recent eyeshadow palette that I tried out and I absolutely love is by Nikake, and this is what it looks like. So this is their 9 pan eyeshadow palette, and this is in the variant Watermelon Splash. I don't know why is it called watermelon, because watermelon तो red होता है, but anyway this is what it looks like, and this is what I have on my eyes today. And I ordered another variant in this, and you guys, this is literally so amazing. Like इतना अच्छा फॉर्मूला है इसका. दिस इज ऑब्वियसली पिगमेंटेड. इट जस्ट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल ऑन द आईज एंड इट इज सो इजी टू वर्क विथ. लाइक यू डोंट हैव टू डू मच टू वर्क विथ दिस एंड यू कैन क्रिएट सच ब्यूटिफुल लुक्स. एंड आई वांटेड अ वेरी पीची टाइप का पैलेट बिकॉज ये जो स्वीट पीच वाला है ना वो थोड़ा न्यूट्रल है. इट डजंट हैव दैट मेनी पीच टोन्स, बट दिस हैज लाइक पीच एंड ऑरेंज टोन्स जो मैं यूजुअली यूज नहीं करती. बट आई रियली लाइक द वे दिस लुक हैज टर्न्ड आउट. इट्स वेरेबल ऑल्सो एंड इट लुक्स सो ब्यूटिफुल. इसके जो shimmer shades are, those are also really pigmented, and the mattes are just, they are so good. You really need to try this. So I would highly recommend you guys to try this out. And इसमें 2-3 और variants है, तो आप देख सकते हो आपको कौन सा वाला चाहिए. An eyebrow product that I want to recommend is by Elf. So this is the eyebrow gel. This is what it looks like. Now इसमें ना 2 या 3 shades ही available है अभी. I stopped using eyebrow pencils and all of that. I just go with this. It fills my eyebrows in and साथ में spoolie भी हो जाता है. मतलब just एक प्रोडक्ट से ना सारी हेडेक खत्म हो जाती है. I hate doing my brows anyway, so I really needed something like this. And this is also a little bit pricey. I think 600 या 700 rupees का है, but सेल पे आपको बेटर रेंज में मिल जाएगा. So yeah, if you get your shade, you can definitely go for this. Alright you guys, I have so many lipsticks, so let's go एक एक करके बात करते हैं. Let's start with the drugstore one. So guess what I bought? I bought Maybelline का Nude Nuance because the older one was so old, and फिर मैंने उसको फेंक दिया because I stopped using this for some reason. But the other day I was missing this lipstick so much. I don't know why. I was just like, हाँ मैं एक टाइम पे वो इतना ज्यादा यूज करती थी. What happened to that? So I ordered this immediately, and it has a new packaging. This is what it looks like. I absolutely love the shade. I feel like this turned me into a nude lipstick lover. This is what Nude Nuance looks like. Please get this lipstick if you haven't already. This is such a nice creamy matte formula, looks beautiful, and I cannot say enough good things about this shade. The second one I have is by Maybelline again, and this is their Sensational Liquid Matte, and मेरा shade है Truly MLLB. This is what the shade looks like. So again, a beautiful nude shade. I use this so much. I use this on its own. मैं इसको दूसरे shades के साथ भी mix करती हूँ. These are your typical matte liquid lipsticks, but I don't find them to be too drying. Just use a nice lip balm and you'll be sorted. A new favorite of mine is by Miss Claire. This is the Miss Claire Matte Power lip color, and my shade is 06. And again, a very beautiful brown matte nude lipstick. Wow, this is such an awful swatch, and can you see मेरा color palette ही यही है, बस nudes and browns. But this is again such a beautiful liquid lipstick. इसमें भी काफी सारे shades आते हैं. It's comfortable, looks nice, pigmented. ना थोड़ा high end पे I have the Malvika Sitlani Smashbox collab. So this is what it looks like. So you get two shades. एक है Babe Alert and एक है Driver Seat. And I don't know, they sent me wrong packaging या क्या, but मुझे ना दोनों shades में ही same label मिला था, which is Babe Alert. So I will just show you guys the swatch of both. मुझे honestly दोनों shade ही same लगते हैं. So these are the two swatches, and I don't know which is which. I think this is Babe Alert and this is Driver Seat. But in general, Smashbox has such a good liquid lipstick formula. Like, they are so pigmented, so comfortable on the lips, long lasting. I absolutely love Smashbox के liquid lipsticks. And then I have Huda Beauty का lipstick. Now Huda Beauty has up to 50% off, but on very few products actually. I can obviously recommend the liquid lipstick, वो मैंने इतनी बार दिखाया है, but again you can go check out the Huda Beauty liquid lipstick. मेरा favorite shade है Trendsetter. I've talked about this like for years now, and I think उनके जो bullet lipstick है उन पे भी कुछ ना कुछ offer चल रहा है. So this is in the shade First Kiss, and ये ना टूट गया मेरे से, but this is what the shade looks like. It's so pretty. This again is such a good bullet lipstick. I feel like Huda also does really good lip products, and she's known for her lip products also. This is pigmented, it looks beautiful, it dries matte, and it is also pretty long lasting. Obviously if you eat something oily then it will come off. मुझे personally shade बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, and I do think that it is definitely worth the money. Now for gloss, I would recommend this e.l.f. lip plumping gloss. This is what it looks like, and it's in the shade Praline. This is Praline, here you go. And this is again such a nice plumping gloss. इससे ना आपके लिप्स में थोड़ी ऐसे tingly sensation होती है, but it's not like too much or anything. It looks amazing. It is pigmented and you can use it on its own as well. Now I'll quickly show you guys some skincare and body care favorites because these are also on sale right now. Now the first one is by Cosrx, and this is their original clear pad. This is willow bark water and BHA, and this I really like. So you get 70 ऐसे ना pads इसके अंदर है. Now I don't use it on a day-to-day basis. I told you guys I use this mainly on days where I have extremely like very painful pimples. इससे ना बहुत calming एक effect होता है. So when I have big painful pimples, I just like to press it on my pimple and just let it be, and उससे ना वो area थोड़ा soothe हो जाता है, and जो inflammation है वो कम हो जाता है. And I sometimes use it when I'm like super tired at night. I don't want to wash my face, so I will just use one of these all over my face, and it really helps to clean the entire face before I do my skincare. I still have so many of these left because I don't use like a lot of these. Then I have this one by Simple. This is their hydrating light moisturizer. This is a very simple formula. You can use this with other actives and everything as well. This is a very lightweight non-sticky formula. Now these two serums I would highly recommend you guys to check out. The first one is this 10% niacinamide serum by The Derma Co. Again, I've talked about this so many times. This really helps to control the sebum production of your skin, and if you use this religiously, you will see that over time this will also work on your acne marks. Now more than the acne marks, I've seen that this really helped to reduce the sebum production, which also I'm really grateful for. So I really like this product. Then I have this L'Oreal 1.5 hyaluronic acid serum. Cannot say enough good things about this. Now even though I have really oily skin, I still have dry patches on my skin, and also my skin is very dull, especially when I'm not eating and sleeping properly. You can see it on my face. So this comes really handy because this is an instant glow booster. इसको लगाते ही ना my skin feels like I have had 8 hours of sleep. I drank 5 liters of water. So I would recommend this, especially if you struggle with very dry skin. This will work really well. Now I have a couple of products from Plum Goodness. I would highly recommend you guys to to check out this Plum Hello Aloe Gel. This is what it looks like. इसका कैसे jelly सा formula है. So this has no colors, this has no fragrance, कुछ भी नहीं है. This is like as authentic as aloe vera gel can be. Especially before I shave my face, I like to use this and it works really well. You get this huge tub and इस पे भी offer चल रहा है. Then again, I would recommend you guys to please check out the Plum Body Mist. You will not regret these. So I have Trippin Mimosas which is almost over, and then I also have this Vanilla Vibes one. And अभी इन पे भी ऑफर चल रहा है, so just try them once. मुझे पता है आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा ये. Then of course I have the Plum Shower Gel. This is what it looks like. It's in the variant Hawaiian Rumba. One of the best shower gels I've used. Works really well, smells good, lathers well. Another product from Plum are their Candy Melts Lip Balm. This is such a good lip balm. It's non-sticky. It moisturizes the lips so well. I especially like to use this before I use my liquid lipsticks. I just apply a light layer and it just keeps my lips moisturized and मुझे बिल्कुल भी ना ऐसे चिपचिप नहीं करता. Last but not the least, I have some sponges and makeup brush recommendations. So I have this sponge and this is by Pack Cosmetics. जो पैक का पैक ऑफ 2 है ना, मैंने वो खरीद लिया है, उस पे भी ऑफर चल रहा है. बट पैक के sponges are amazing. You will get it for 500 something and you get 2. So that is amazing. Then if you want to buy pack के makeup brushes, this is the best time to invest. And I think you should definitely go for their sets. So I have this eye brush का set. Now I couldn't find all the brushes, so I have 4 ones right here. But मैं आपको दिखाना चाहती थी कि अंदर से ये ऐसा लगता है. It's such a good travel pouch as well. And then these are the 4 brushes and you guys can see मैंने ये सारे कितने ज़्यादा यूज़ कर रखे हैं. आज मैंने ये यूज़ किया था to do my eye makeup and everything. This is my favorite brush to smudge my kajal. And all of these brushes are of such good quality. And अभी आपको सेल पे ये बहुत अच्छे प्राइस में मिल जाएगा. So in case you want to check out their face brush set या फिर eye brush set, मैं उसका लिंक डाल दूंगी. This is the best time to check out the brushes also because brushes पे कभी भी ना ऑफर नहीं चलता या फिर डिस्काउंट नहीं चलता, बट अभी आपको मिल रहा है. एंड इफ यू वर लुकिंग टू बाय दैट, नाउ इज द राइट टाइम टू बाय. एंड या विद दैट आई कम टू द एंड ऑफ दिस वीडियो. आई हैव बीन टॉकिंग फॉर सो लॉन्ग. आई हैव टू एडिट एंड अपलोड दिस टुडे इटसेल्फ. आई नो एक दिन लेट हो गया, बट द सेल इज गोइंग ऑन टिल 26 एंड यू स्टिल हैव सो मच टाइम टू शॉप. एंड आई होप दैट दीज रिकमेंडेशंस विल हेल्प यू आउट. इफ आई गेट मोर रिकमेंडेशन आइडियाज ना, मैं सारे लिंक्स डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी. सो मेक श्योर कि आप वो चेकआउट कर लो. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye. Happy shopping.